This is Arella.
It's my Nina.
Ayan, for today's kwentuhan, I have a surprise question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Oh, here's my question.
What?
If there's one thing you've done before, what is it that you wish that you could do again?
Go-kart.
What?
Go-kart.
Ha?
Go-kart.
Ah,
Yung ganito. Yung may pedal, yung naapakan ko. Hindi yung ganito. Gusto ko yung yung ganito. Inilapakan ko, hindi yung
Oh, alam ko na yung nag-go-kart ka mag-isa. Ay, kasi you
I was big.
drive by your own, di ba? So,
Can I get driver's license?
yeah, we can go back there again someday. Why do you, what do you like about it?
Because it's so fast.
You can drive fast.
I love it when it's fast.
Safe naman yun kasi meron silang helmet. They are wearing safety gears. So maganda, sarap talaga mag-go-kart, no? So mas gusto mo yan kesa doon magpunta ka sa playground, mag-jump ka sa tarpaulin. Did you jump in a tarpaulin? Ay, trampoline, sorry.
Yes. But I fell always. And I'm dizzy in the trampoline.
Ah, you felt always. So you wish you could drive go-kart again. Yeah. So you wish that. So ipon tayo ng budget para mahal kaya. Ano siya? Parang 10 rounds. 200 or 250. So medyo expensive din. Pero ano ka rito? Pero maganda naman talaga yung go-kart. Bago lahat yung mga go-kart nila. Parang ang sarap i-drive, no?
Sarap mabilis. Sarap iuwi sa bahay.
Wish you can buy one for you and use it at home, no? Meron naman nabibili ng pambahay talaga. So, wala naman tayong space para mag-go-kart ka sa bahay.
Sa condo.
Kahit na. Kailangan yung
mga kids sa condo may go-kart sila.
meron. Ang mahirap kasi sa mo siya pa-park. Mahirap wala kang parking. Di ba? Pray to Jesus that we can buy our own house. Big, tapos so you can have a big playground.
And how about my friend, my tita? If she can go there naman.
Yeah, syempre, if you have a big house, you can invite friends.
I can let her sleep over, borrow my go-kart.
Yes. Wala naman imposible kay Jesus.
Impossible.
Basta lagi kang mabait. Malay mo, bigay sa'yo ni Jesus. Diba? Ay, dapat always be good. Okay? Ang ganda naman ng wish ni Arella. I like that too. Okay, thank you for watching our videos. Till next. Bye. God bless.